Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of potatoes. That's right, those humble spuds that you probably have sitting in your pantry right now. We're going to uncover 5 surprising ways to cook them to get the absolute maximum nutrition out of them. Listen, potatoes get a bad rap, but they're packed with vitamins and minerals when you don't drown them in butter and cream and fry the living daylights out of them. We're going to unlock the potential of the potato, turning it into a delicious and healthy staple for your table. So put on your aprons and let's get started. First up, boiling. Now, before you roll your eyes, boiling might seem a bit basic, but don't underestimate it. Boiling potatoes with the skin on is a fantastic way to retain more of their vitamin C content. And remember, we're talking about proper boiling here. None of that overcooked, mushy mess. We want potatoes that are tender all the way through but still hold their shape. A little tip from my kitchen to yours, add a pinch of salt to the water. It not only seasons the potatoes, but also helps them cook more evenly. Next, we're steaming our way to potato perfection. Steaming is another fantastic cooking method that gently coaxes out the natural flavors of the potatoes while preserving most of the nutrients. What I love about steaming is that it's quick, it's easy, and you don't need any special equipment. A simple steamer basket set over a pot of boiling water is all it takes. Just make sure the water isn't touching the potatoes, and don't overcook them. We're aiming for tender, not soggy. Now let's crank up the heat and do some baking. Baking potatoes is not only delicious, but it's also a great way to help maintain their potassium levels. And don't think for a minute that baked potatoes have to be boring. We can jazz them up with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt before they go in the oven. Remember, when it comes to baking potatoes, patience is key. We want those fluffy insides and crispy skins. Now, I know what you're thinking. Microwaving? Really, Gordon? But listen, sometimes you need a quick and easy solution, and microwaving is surprisingly good at preserving the nutrients in potatoes. The key is to use a microwave-safe dish and to make sure you pierce the potatoes a few times with a fork before cooking. This will allow steam to escape and prevent any unwanted explosions in your microwave. And don't even think about overcooking them. Keep a close eye on the timing to avoid ending up with rubbery potatoes. Finally, we're finishing with my personal favorite, roasting. Roasting potatoes brings out their natural sweetness and helps keep those nutrients locked in. Now, here's where we can really have some fun. Don't be shy with the herbs and spices. Rosemary, thyme, garlic, paprika, you name it. Let's turn these potatoes into a flavor sensation. Remember, the key to perfectly roasted potatoes is to make sure they're cut into evenly sized pieces and tossed in a little olive oil and seasoning before they hit that hot oven. So there you have it. 5 surprising ways to cook potatoes that will maximize their nutritional value and have you looking at those humble spuds in a whole new light. Remember, cooking should be about more than just throwing food on a plate. It's about experimenting, exploring flavors, and respecting the ingredients. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy cooking ideas. See you next time.